In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change the number of pages in Word. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you very easy to follow instructions on how to properly manage the page numbers available in Word. Of course, if you just want to add more pages, all that you have to do is keep typing, and this will automatically increment the counter of pages in Word. They will be created automatically and separated accordingly, especially if you add different breaks. So for this video, the focus is going to be on page numbering. So if you go over to the options and you see page number, you will be able to add the page number to the bottom, top, or the margins of the page. So choose one of these options here. Most people will apply the page number at the bottom, but of course you can choose any of the other options. So you can add it over to the left, center, or to the right. Choose any of the layouts that you see available here. You can go all the way down for more options as well. And once you choose the page number, it will appear under each page that you have on your Word document. Now, let's say, for example, you don't want the first page to be numbered because it is a cover page or other different reasons, then what you have to do is customize this. The customization options can be found under Header and Footer. So now you will have a new section titled Header and Footer, and if you choose this, you will find the page number options available here. If you choose this again, you can find Format Page Numbers, and now you can configure various different things. So you will see the number format. Usually it is going to be the standard numerical 1, 2, 3, but you can change it into different numerals and other options. You can include a chapter number if you want, and customize how it appears, for example, 1, 1, 1, 2, and then switch to 1, 2, 2, and so on. And if you want to hide the number from the cover page, like I mentioned, all that you have to do is choose the option to start at and then select 0. So instead of the cover number being 1, the cover number is going to be 0. Then you can delete that number, and consequently page 2 will now be 1. Now that page 2 is number 1, you can now have your document properly labeled and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to change number of pages in Word. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.